Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with a full body workout, great for all levels, but especially if you're beginning or a little bit older and want to take it easy, this is for you. It's for everyone. You're gonna love it, so let's get started. First up, we have a step jack. All right, we're gonna step to the side, arms come up, nice little bounce together, and then the other side. So this is a little modification for a jumping jack. If you feel like you can, go ahead and try those jumping jacks. All right, but here you just want to remember to have a good posture, strong arms, tight core. The entire body is engaged. All right, very good. Chin up, chest is up, your shoulders are pushed down. It's a full body exercise. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and together. Awesome job. Now we have a front raise to snow angel. So we're gonna have palms facing forward, and you're going to press up as if there's something heavy. You're lifting something heavy, pushing something heavy. All right, and then you're gonna come back down and go into a snow angel. Go ahead, cross those hands as they come above your arms, and then coming back down and repeating. All right, pretending that there's something pushing your arms, resisting. All right, so you're really squeezing your muscles here. Push, all right, core, tight core. Pretend there's something there, even hold it there for a second. And squeeze, 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 and then coming back down, up, cross those arms. You should feel it in the shoulders here, but make sure you're not lifting those shoulders, all right? Boom, very good, strong body. And 3, 2, 1, and down, very good. Next, we have some hip openers. I love these. All right, our knee goes up and around in a nice continuous fluid motion. All right, practicing your balance, so a nice tight core is what's gonna help you balance. All right, if you need to make it a little bit smaller to help you balance, that's fine, take your time. That's the beauty of 30 seconds is you get to go at your own pace. All right, squeezing your core, squeezing your thigh muscles as they come up and your butt as it comes out to the side. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, shake it out. Next, we have a sumo squat. So we have a nice wide stance. Your toes are facing outwards. All right. If you're new to this, just beginning, take little squats. All right, so coming down a few inches. All right, squeezing your thighs and your bum and your core. All right, and if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, you're gonna go low, go a little bit lower, making sure that those knees go out to the side. All right, if they're concaving in, maybe bring it up a little bit. Quality over quantity here. All right, and going slow. The slower, the harder it is. All right, faster is not better, so taking your time. Very good. Maybe holding it in that sumo squat. All right, very good. Just play around with this, find what works for you, but remember to challenge yourself as well. Chin up, tight core, breathe, and 3, 2, 1, hold, hold, hold. Come up and squeeze, very good. Last but not least, we have some hip circles. All right, these should feel good. We're gonna stand feet hip width apart. You're gonna push your hips back and you're gonna take it to one side and then forward, a little back bend. Don't hurt yourself. Listen to your body, and then the other side. And when you get back again, we're going to go to the other side. So this is nice and slow, taking your time, working through the motions. This should feel good in some positions, but it's also testing your core and your back strength. So making sure you have a nice straight back. We're not rounded over or arching, okay? So pay attention to your spine. Very good. All right, one more. And 3, 2, 1, and then coming up with the straight back to celebrate. Set 1, done and dusted, great job. Going right into set 2, big breath. Starting with our step jacks for 30 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Nice tight core, check in with your posture, strong arms, strong legs, very good. Moving with intention. And 3, 2, 1, back to center for our front to snow angel. Moving, pretending there's resistance. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Strong arms, very good. Breathe as your arms come up. Exhale, they come down. Breathe up, exhale down. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Very good. Hip openers. Let's go. Tight core to balance. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wide stance, toes out to the side. Sumo squat, knees go outwards. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, hold, 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 and come up, squeeze. Very good. Finishing with some nice hip circles. Let's go. Push back, feel a nice stretch there in the hamstrings, and then to the side, forward, other side, and back, other way around. Very good. Listen to your body. Don't overdo it. This should feel good. And 3, 2, 1. Coming up with the straight back and celebrating. 2 sets done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Nice tight core, check in with your posture, strong arms, strong legs, very good. Moving with intention. And 3, 2, 1, back to center for our front to snow angel. Moving, pretending there's resistance. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Strong arms, very good. Breathe as your arms come up. Exhale, they come down. Breathe up, exhale down. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Very good. Hip openers. Let's go. Tight core to balance. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wide stance, toes out to the side. Sumo squat, knees go outwards. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and come up, squeeze. Very good. Finishing with some nice hip circles. Let's go. Push back. Feel a nice stretch there in the hamstrings, and then to the side, forward, other side, and back. Other way around. Very good. Listen to your body. Don't overdo it. This should feel good. And 3, 2, 1. Coming up with the straight back. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of this awesome full body workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, where are you tuning in from, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.